chickens. Chickens spells chickens. Boy chickens are called roosters. Girl chickens are called hens. And baby chickens are called chicks. Chickens lay eggs in homes called chicken coops. When the eggs are starting to hatch, out came the babies. Chicken eggs are the only bird eggs that become people food. Chickens cannot fly, but they can run very, very fast, just like ostriches. They peck on the ground with seeds by using their beaks. In mornings, roosters make crowing sounds to let people know that the sun is about to wake up.